Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we are going to be sending out the Kraton. Oh! For the rigs.
I can't believe these shits fit in the Volkswagen, dude. I was pumped.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Ooh! There you go. Boom. Oh. Woo. I don't know how that did not break, dude. Bro, check this thing out. Fresh. I mean, almost fresh. This thing's freaking heavy, dude. Almost brand spanking new. Not even the arms have scratched. Look at that. Jeez, bro. I ain't gonna give him a front bumper support to try out. Italian stuff. Damn, that seems sick. And then we only have one, we have two. And then this is a size difference. So this is a 6S version. Yo. Okay, but this is the 8S version. This is a 6S version. Huge size difference, dude. This thing probably weighs, it's probably weighs like 13, 15 pounds. This thing weighs like a whole ton, dude. This thing weighs like about, dude, this thing weighs like almost like 30 pounds. And then that's without the batteries too.
At least 10 of those weren't meant to happen. Shit
Oh, that was a good one. Is it good? Oh, it's chilling. Hey guys, don't forget wing mount, link down below. I created a new design, so instead of having this hole here with the nut and getting a brand new screw, I just put a hole here for the nut. Stock screw with the stock wing could go straight in, so I made it easier for you guys and to not include that nut right there. So I made an improvement. So yeah, that's the new design for the wing mount. Ooh. Oh.
I had to beat you to the punch on that one. Oh, my rear one's no slowing down.
Oh! Oh!
That thing is up.
1100.
Did you break my rim? Yeah, I did. No, mommy.
He took out a wheel.
Fuck, you caught my rim. I saw parts.
I saw a wheel. So he hit that, ripped it off, dude. Dude, but that thing's a beast still.
Watch it.
Damn, dude. Oh. Driving pretty weird. Oh. Oh. Woo. Woo. Oh, damn. Wheels, wheels. God damn. Let's see this thing.